can be closed. And as you know, as a resident of Florida, Florida prides itself on having very broad sunshine laws and public records laws and a great deal of openness. That's always been important in this state. So I think that some of the exceptions have to do with dependency cases and certain types of criminal cases where there's sexual abuse involved and things like that. But for the most part, the courtrooms are always open, and I would encourage anybody, I bring my kids every once in a while to court just to watch, because it's a great learning experience.
Yeah, I would think that anyone that has a problem with a teenager, juvenile court's the best place to take it, because some of the judges like Jim Clayton,
on a rainy day.
pretty tough.
Yeah.
It's pretty, some of these court things are pretty dramatic. Courts are pretty much open. Sometimes there's an issue with crowd, if there's like a high profile case, or if there's a lot of media and then they have to have like one pool camera. I think what I'd like to ask you about is, you said that you specialize, your specialization is in civil litigation, but you could be assigned family law, you could be assigned criminal, you could be assigned, what is the other one there that has to do with wills and?
Probate.
Probate.
Mm-hmm.
Which of those you think is the most taxing, the most difficult to absorb, and from your perspective as an attorney?
Okay. I think that probably family law
Yeah,
is
that's
the
what
most
people say.
difficult and taxing. I know that as a parent, as a parent making decisions about your children, that stuff is tough. I mean, you take that very seriously. So I think that as a judge making decisions about someone else's children, that's got to be an even more stressful but equally important role.
How about as a former cop, if someone says, oh yeah, she used to be a cop, I'm not gonna get a fair shake with her. What do you say about that?
That's not true at all. One thing that being a police officer and that working there taught me was that I can deal with anybody. I can deal with the chief of police. If he comes in there, he's going to be treated the same way as the person who called 911 to report something. I've worked with the public, and I worked with a whole bunch of different people that were at the police department as well. And you know, it doesn't matter. I can work with anybody under any situation.
Well, Kathy Weston, I appreciate you taking the time and stopping in. Have we done our 15 minutes there, pretty much?
Almost, yeah.
Yeah, you want to have like just a general statement, or is that pretty much it?
That's pretty much it. The only thing I would like to add that's really important to me, and I'm so proud of, is that I have 7 retired judges have endorsed me. And
Can you name those judges?
Oh, a test.
Like
Yes.
Jeopardy.
Yeah. Judge Graham, Judge Grimes, Judge Ed Hedstrom from Palatka, Judge Upchurch.
It's good enough for now.
There's 7 of them.
We'll get the rest of you later. I appreciate that. That was kind of a tough question to ask on the spot anyway.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for having me.
Okay, thank you very much.